and welcome back to NoBlandMakeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist, but not right now. Today I'm doing a continuation of my World Cup flag series, so if you guys want to see every other video I've done so far, I'll have it linked up in the cards up above. But before we get to the actual tutorial, I have a merch store. So if you guys want to support the channel, get cool stickers, t-shirts, hoodies, other things, go to teespring.com/NoBlandMerch. I'll have the link in the description down below. So today is one of those days where my hair is not cooperating with me no matter what I do. So to start off this look, we're going to be putting green in the crease, and you're also going to bring it down a little bit to the side of your nose. That is what I meant to say. You want to also make sure that you blend it out. I used a more shimmery green, but if you don't like that, you can always use something a little bit more matte. Next, just add a little bit more definition. Just in the crease, I applied a little bit of a darker green. Once you have all that done, you're going to apply a white base on the lid. Make sure that you blend it out really well because we don't want any skipping lines or anything like that. We want this to look really even. Once your base is all blended out, then you're going to apply some white eyeshadow right on top. Now that we've done all that, I went back in with some more of that dark green just to make sure that everything was really nicely blended because I don't want too many harsh edges in this look. And then I grabbed some green highlighter, weirdly enough, just because I really wanted to do something a little different. And I applied that on my brow bone as well, really concentrating on the brow bone so that way when I turn to the light you can actually see it. If you've seen the Iranian flag before, you know we're missing one color. So we're going to go ahead and apply some red eyeshadow on the lower lash line. There's going to be some more red in this, so I'll get to it. Now, it's been a while since I've put on winged eyeliner, so I regret nothing. But I didn't have a red liquid liner, so what I did was I mixed some eyeshadow with some Duraline to create an eyeliner. Just make sure that you get the pigment to liquid ratio correct, so that way it goes on the way you want it to. Now, tips for doing winged eyeliner, since I haven't done that video yet. Start in small areas, do small lines, connect everything together, and more importantly, take your time. It's really easy to mess up winged liner. Very easy. So really take your time, especially if you're going to be doing something like this. It's a pain to mess up right at the end. And because my waterline looked a little bit out of place, I took a pencil liner and applied that on the lower lash line. If you don't already have red there and use this by itself, it will make it look like you cried and people will ask you if you're okay all day, so just keep that in mind for later. Now here's another thing I haven't done in a while. Put rhinestones on my face. This part you can skip if you want to, it's not exactly mandatory, but I feel like it just brings the look all the way together. And then last but not least, we're going to apply some false lashes. Now if you want some tips and tricks on how to apply false lashes, I'll have a video linked up in the cards for exactly how to do that, for anybody who's curious. And then once I did that, you're gonna apply some mascara. Now make sure to get both your top and bottom lashes, but that is the completed look. So I hope you guys had fun watching this video. I definitely had fun doing it. If you guys want to see the rest of the World Cup videos, I'll have it linked in the cards above. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos, and let me know who you think is going to win the World Cup. Do you think Iran's going to make it all the way? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!